Hey photographers! Lugging camera gear around is a pain. But what if you could roll it instead? In this video, we're diving deep into the best roller bags for photographers in 2024. We'll compare features, weight capacity, and portability to find the perfect travel companion for your precious equipment. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Lowepro Pro Trekker RLX 450 AW2. Step into the realm of ultimate gear mobility with the Pro Trekker, a powerhouse roller bag and backpack hybrid crafted for the adventurous soul. While typical roller bags may falter in capacity and durability, this marvel knows no bounds. Prepare to be amazed by its cavernous interior, capable of accommodating 2 DSLR or mirrorless bodies with a 200mm lens attached, alongside an impressive array of 5 to 6 additional lenses and a multitude of accessories, including a 15-inch laptop, flash guns, chargers, and more. But here's where it truly shines. The interior is a canvas awaiting your customization thanks to its adaptable internal dividers. Unlike its counterparts, where the transition from roller bag to backpack feels cumbersome, the roller bag seamlessly converts between the two, offering an ergonomic waist belt and harness for added stability and comfort, ensuring your journey is as smooth as your gear transition. Number 2. Think Tank Airport International V3. The Airport International V3 exudes a premium feel from every angle, showcasing impeccable craftsmanship from its zippers to its sturdy handle. Designed with precision, the interior is meticulously arranged to accommodate a duo of pro DSLRs with grips, and even the most substantial telephoto lenses, stretching up to 500mm effortlessly. Adding to its versatility, it graciously welcomes a 15-inch laptop and a 10-inch tablet, while providing convenient tripod storage on the side. Measuring at carry-on compliant dimensions of 53.3 by 35.6 by 20.3 centimeter, it seamlessly fits within airline restrictions. However, it's worth noting that our external thickness measurement of 23 centimeter may raise eyebrows with some airlines. Despite not boasting the unyielding rigidity of a hard case, our informal durability test, standing on it, revealed its commendable ability to maintain shape, thanks in part to the premium padded dividers that reinforce its structural integrity. Number 3. Vanguard Alta Fly 55T. Setting a new standard among roller camera bags, the Alta Fly 55T stands out with its innovative 4-wheel design, offering unparalleled maneuverability. But wait, there's more. Vanguard goes above and beyond by including backpack straps, transforming the bag into a rugged companion for traversing rough terrain. Complemented by generous lower back padding and a convenient waist strap, your journey is lightened without compromise. Plus, rear wheel covers shield your back from dirt, adding an extra layer of protection. Despite its robust feature set, the weight remains a manageable 3.9 kilograms, while the sumptuous gear padding ensures your equipment travels in luxury. However, the 4-wheel configuration does impact interior capacity, shrinking from 54.9 by 34.6 by 21.9 centimeter externally to a more compact 40.9 by 31.1 by 11.4 centimeter internally. Seeking greater space? Consider the larger Alta Fly 58T, though it forfeits carry-on compatibility. Number 4. Manfrotto Manhattan Runner 50. Priced at a sweet spot that beckons to all, the Manhattan Runner 50 is a versatile gem designed to adapt seamlessly to your photographic needs. Featuring a flexi-camera shell, it molds effortlessly to accommodate your gear, comfortably housing a pro-level DSLR with approximately 4 lenses, including a hefty 70 to 200 f2.8. Not stopping there, it graciously offers space for extras like an action camera or even a compact drone. Whether you're navigating bustling airports or bustling city streets, the Manfrotto Manhattan Runner 50 stands as a steadfast companion. Glide effortlessly on its 2 wheels or effortlessly convert its removable insert into a backpack for added convenience. Number 5. Tenba Roadie Aircase Roller 21. The looming prospect of having to stow your camera gear in the aircraft hold can send shivers down any photographer's spine. But fear not, for the solution lies in the formidable Tenba Aircase. Blending the convenience of a roller bag with the resilience of a rugged hard case, The air case stands as a beacon of crush-resistant protection. In our rigorous testing, the air case proved its mettle as we stood atop it, yet it emerged unscathed, retaining its pristine shape. Only rivaled by the Think Tank Airport International V3 bag, unless you opt for a full-fledged hard case. The air case's secret lies in its robust internal construction, which encases the entire bag, not just its top, bottom, and rear panels. Essentially, it's a hard case masquerading as a roller bag. So, which roller bag reigns supreme? The winner, for its perfect blend of organization, protection, and maneuverability, is the Lowepro Pro Trekker RLX 450AW2. Need a different option? Let me know your travel style in the comments, and I'll help you find your perfect match.